Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be using the MD cream to powder for prepping my eyebrow. I'm just going to go ahead and take a little amount of it, apply it on my eyebrow, then go ahead and blend it out using the blended foam. Next, I'm going to be going ahead with this black opal setting powder. I'm going to use it to set my eyebrow before drawing my brow. I'm going to be using the Davis eyebrow pencil in color 18. I'm going to go ahead and draw my arc first before filling in the brow. Okay guys, so now we are done drawing our arc. The next thing we're going to do is to slightly fill in our eyebrow. Slightly, I say slightly so you don't get dark. Just slightly fill in your eyebrow like where you're sketching an art on the paper. I hope I'm making sense. Yeah, just slightly fill in your eyebrow. Now I'm going to be using the MAC eyebrow pencil in color 1 and draw out my arc again, so when I apply my concealer on it, it is going to pop. I'll be using the Kylie Pro concealer. I'm going ahead with a lighter shade for my underbrow. See guys, concealing the eyebrow is very tricky, and if you don't take your time, you might end up messing the whole thing up. So just take your time, be calm, focus, and just do your thing. Do your thing and the eyebrow will come out popping. Now I'll go ahead and conceal the outer part of my eyebrow using a darker shade of concealer. Now at this point, just take your time, blend, blend, blend and blend until it's well blended. So I'm still going to use the darker shade of concealer to conceal the upper part of my eyebrow. Now go ahead with this flat foam. I'm just going to go ahead and dab my concealer. My concealer is a bit greasy, so I'm just going to go ahead and dab it on it just to take off that greasiness. You know, if your concealer is matte, then that's very perfect. You don't need to do this method. So now I'm just going to go ahead and blend in my concealer using this blending foam. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer again using a setting powder. I don't want to do too much, that's why I took the one that is on the cover of the setting powder, you know, just for it to stay dry all day. Yeah, so if your concealer is not matte, you can use this method. It would definitely work for you because it does work for me. So guys, I hope you loved this video. If you want me to do a full makeup tutorial, let me know in the comment section and I will do it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and also turn on your notification bell. It is so necessary.